Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing very well. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my most favorite cryptocurrency for staking, that is Icon. So, first thing first, let's go to the coin market cap and see what is Icon basically. Icon is a decentralized blockchain network focused on interoperability. With Icon's blockchain transmission protocol, independent blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum can connect and transmit with each other. This opens up cross-chain use cases that are impossible without an interoperability layer like Icon. So basically, it means that Icon serve as a interoperability between Bitcoin and Ethereum to trans because currently the Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency network, they are not currently uh, sharing information with each other. So they need an interoperability operator. And if we go to the Icon's website, that is Icon Foundation, we can pretty much see this is basically a Korean base. And if we go to their like learn more, we can see what are their current partners. So here are the list of current partners. So from here you can see they are really strong company, like especially in Korea, and Korea is a big in cryptocurrency share. So they have a PIA, Icon Community, Pantera, Kinetic Capital, and there are plenty of more big partners they have in Korea and all over the world. So you can see that if it's a really famous and popular cryptocurrency. And the important thing about Icon is let's go to the staking reward. How much staking reward the Icon is offering. So staking reward, if we go to the icons here, you can see the staking reward at the moment Icon is offering is 15.56, and they are pretty much stable. If we see past 7 days or past 1 month, you can really see from 16% they are coming to 15.6%. It's not bad. It's a extremely highly staking reward. No stable cryptocurrency is giving you that much high staking reward. So for example, if you just spend uh, you can say 1,000 USD, you can pretty much get 3,350 icon at the moment if you spend just 1,000 USD, and your monthly earning is around 45 to 50 icons. This staking is a bit less, but I can show you the original that I am staking. So again, so you can pretty much get 43% staking reward. Oh, that's really 15.56% staking reward, and monthly earning just spending this is around $15. So let's go. I can show you how you can create a wallet. So first, you really need to there are three ways, like you can install a web-based wallet, which I prefer, or you can install Android-based wallet. So in web-based wallet, you just need to go to the Chrome's search extension and then search IconX. When you search IconX, you have here the option add to the Chrome. I already have, so he says remove from the Chrome. The first screen that you are going to see is pretty much like this. So there they will ask you create a wallet or load an existing wallet. If you already have a wallet, then you just load a wallet. And if you don't have a wallet, you just create a new wallet. So in most of your cases, you guys just need to create a new wallet. All right. So once you create a new wallet, you log in, you will get pretty much this type of screen. I will show you. Okay. So then I will show you the process of how you can buy. Let's go first to how you can buy. You can go to any cryptocurrency exchange. I'm in Australia at the moment, so I will show you one exchange that is I use for trading in Australia because this is really fast. It's CoinSpot. Okay, let's hey uh, So you just put little bit fund from go to deposit fund, use PayPal, Poly, and it's a free of cost. So you can deposit some fund and go to the icon wallet. Like in my like you go in wallets, search icon, and you buy icons here. Buy icons, okay. So once you buy icon, so you have pretty much the balance here. So what we're gonna have to do, you open your icon staking reward wallet, and you get here some address. You have different address for you, so you just copy that address, and from your exchange you just go to send icons. Okay, he will ask you the amount, how much you gonna want to send to that. So I'm going to send all, so all available. And then here icon payment address, just paste that address that you have and send an SMS. They have a two-factor authentication, so they will ask me a code to put in order to send it. Okay, so let's bring that code is 546601. So here you can see at the moment I only have a 0.9974175 IconX. So once I send 61.99 more icons, so the updated balance I will show you there. So just pretty much send, and they will send me an email to confirm or whether you want to send this amount to your icon wallet. So once I receive an email, hey, here you go. I receive it. I just confirm, yeah, send that icon. So your withdrawal request has been successfully processed. So total amount I sent 62 icon, but I will receive 61.99 because they get a little bit free. That's all right. And so you can see if I go back to now in my wallets icon, and you see now I have 0 IconX. And if we go to transaction, you can see I have sent minus 62.01 icon 30. So pretty much it will take a little bit time to receive into my icon banner. Meanwhile, I'm going to stop. Once I will receive in 2-3 minutes, I will come back and start. So guys, let's come back and see. Okay, so before you can see my icon wallet only have a 0.99 now, and I received now 61 more icon in my into my icon wallet, and you can see it pretty much take 4 to 5 minutes. And usually sometime it take 2 minutes, sometime 4 minutes, but maximum within half hour. So you will receive icon in your icon wallet depending on exchange, which exchange that you have been used. I usually prefer CoinSpot for trading. There are KuCoin, there are Binance. Binance is a really good exchange. So once you receive that, the next step is we want to stake the icon. So you go to access my wallet, in access your wallet, and then you go to voting. And once you are in a voting section, then you see my status, PREP and my status. So in my status, once you while you're creating your wallet, you have to choose some name. I choose icon staking. So here he will ask me my password. This is really good step. I really like this because it will secure your wallet every time you go to. So here you have all your details, like whatever the stake, what is voting. So first you have to do staking. So at the moment I have my icon balances like this, and staked icon I already have 1483 staked icon, and unstake it 62.99. So before, see, there is a I score. The previous icon that I have been staked, they're generating some staking reward for me. So when you have I score, it's like that, you will receive 1.31. So pretty much it's a one step. So I will just claim. So it will add into my one more icon into my unstaked icons. So you don't need to check the transaction. It's pretty much it. So you see now I have 64 unstaked icon in my wallet. So what I go, I press adjust and put maximum amount. So at the moment I have 95.8% staking icon. So just add plus plus plus. So pretty much so 99.9%. So you so at the moment I have staked icon is like this. When I complete, don't need to see the transaction. So hey, now you can see I have staked already, but the staking is not done. The very important step is voting. Until you didn't vote your staked icon to delegation, you want to see the staking reward. So I go into voting section. So when you click the voting section, you see pretty much here at the delegator that I'm currently delegating my icon, and here all the PRAPs available delegation. So it's your choice. You can search which one you want to delegate. There are plenty of. You can search on the internet how which one you prefer. My preferred ones are mineable and iconation. So how you can vote? So for voting, you select that one. Let's go. I select already mineable. So I want to give them more staking reward. So I click on that one. Plus 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 plus. I want to stick. So I put all my remaining like 57% to just mineable and 42.1% to iconation. So once I press vote, he will ask me, okay, so you want to delegate it PRAP to 2? I say yes, vote. So once you've done this step, now the staking has been done. So you go to, there are two steps, remember guys. First you have to adjust your staking and then you put vote. So I will show you once again. You go into wallet, voting, go to my status, put your password, whatever value you generated. First step, you go to the adjust, put your staking amount maximum, like whatever, plus here, plus, plus, plus. And, and then you go into voting section and select your pre-rep and delegate your vote to that particular thing. So that's pretty much staking. So I have done my staking, and once I have done, I will receive my reward. The important thing that guys, I want, why I like the icon, or why I want you guys to like start staking icon, because if you go to the coin market cap, you search the icon, its current price is 30 cent, 30 cent USD dollar, 30 cent USD dollar. Okay. And if we go into the history of the icon statics, you can see its all-time high prices, $12.64 USD cent, $12.64 USD. And let me bring my calculator, I will show you. So his historical point value is 12.64, and let's divide by current value, 0.30 cent. Yeah. So guys, if I can go to original price that has been already it reached in the past, that's very feasible. Maximum in 1 to 2 years, you can get 42x. Like if you spend $10 and you get 42x, you will get $420. And if you spend $1,000, you will get for almost half a million USD dollar just spending $1 in 1 to 2 years. And that is just or the price that it has been reached in the past. It's not something that's out of box. So that's the one reason that I really like to stake icon. And I ask you guys, so you have 42.13x staking reward if it goes to its original price, plus 16%, almost 16% staking reward. And if you add these both, you can easily like get around 60% rewards. Like that's really really huge. Just spend $1,000, guys, and you will probably have a half a million in 1 to 2 years into your account. That's a, no other bank, no other thing can give you guarantee. So that's pretty much. Please, if you have any problem or if you want to have inquiries, leave the comment and subscribe my channel. I will let you know the further what, and in future I'm going to make more videos regarding the what are other staking, like especially Tron and Neo, in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe. Have a lovely day. See you. Bye.